implementation of Snoring U, an application for iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch that monitors and records sleep and helps people who suffer from snoring. Snoring U is an excellent sleep monitoring tool because it records and displays information about your sleep, sleep environment, and your snoring. When monitoring your sleep and detecting a snoring pattern, Snoring U will play a message or vibrate to nudge you. To give you a tour around Snoring U, we enter the application. And this is the main screen, and when you press the Start button, Snoring U will first ask you what quality of sound you want, or if you don't want to record the sound at all. Starting in 5.2, we have also added an option to delay the start of the monitoring. For this demo, we will just go on selecting the default now. After that, the application begins to monitor the surrounding sounds. You can see the sound level in the gauge here, and the red corresponds to the levels above the threshold for making a nudge. Once the noise increases above the threshold, the application starts counting threshold crossings according to your settings, and as soon as the noise has crossed the threshold enough times, every time it's displayed as a red bar here, a nudge will be performed like this. Let's try to simulate a nudge.
Stop snoring, honey. Stop snoring.
I hope you heard that. Note that your screen will normally turn dark after a while and sort of go to sleep, but no worries, Snoring U will continue to work. When you press the pause button, the monitoring pauses and you can explore the other features of the application. As you see in the bottom of the screen, you have icons for monitor, which is the same as the main screen, history, settings, help, and more. If we go to the history screen, you see a list of saved sessions, and with the edit button you can easily remove sessions you don't want to save. Here you can also see, for example, if a session has a note attached to it, if there is sound recorded, or if the sound has been deleted. If you click on the blue-white arrow to the right, it takes you to a summary for that particular session. The session summary shows you a range of data and statistics for the session, and you can also add a note to your session if you have some thoughts that you want to remember. Here you can also upload your data to your computer or delete the recorded sound. There are also 2 questions for you to answer on the quality of your sleep. If you click the graph button, the session will be shown in a graph. You can move back and forth in the graph, and you can zoom in and out either with the plus/minus buttons or with the 2-finger pinch zoom. The graph also contains internal or external events that you can click on to get more information. From here you can also choose to send your data to an email address. There are a few other screens in the application which we will only mention briefly. In the settings, you adjust the algorithm and many other things, like managing and recording your own sound clips, selecting nudge vibrations, and graphic themes. In the advanced settings, you have even more sophisticated ways to customize your Snoring U. In the menu, you also found a help screen with lots of information on how to use the application as well as contact information. The More screen gives you some information about our other products. And that's basically it. It's a simple application to monitor your sleep and try to manage your snoring. And although Snoring U does not cure sleep disorders or may not help you quit snoring completely, but it can help with the individual occurrences of snoring. In our experience, Snoring U is also an excellent tool that helps you monitor your sleep prior to or after professional treatment. For example, if you want to gauge how a dental appliance or a CPAP will help you. Thank you very much and goodbye.